Which of the following is synthesized by RNA polymerase 3? So here three types of RNA polymerase are there that show clear-cut division of labor in the case of eukaryotes. And here it is asked that which of the following is synthesized by RNA polymerase 3? RNA polymerase 3 will synthesize tRNA, 5S rRNA and small nuclear RNA. The 3 is the right option. Here actually all are given in different options, but here all are synthesized by the RNA, hence the fourth is the right answer. Select the incorrect statement about tRNA. tRNA possesses an amino acid acceptor at the third end of binding. Yes, for binding of amino acid. Yes, towards the third prime, amino acid acceptor CCS sequence is present, to which amino acid is attached through ester bond. And tRNA is also called soluble RNA. Yes, it is dissolved in the cytoplasm. Yes, it is soluble RNA. Only single tRNA exists for all the three stop codons. Actually, stop codons do not have anticodons, hence there are no tRNAs for the stop codons. But here it is given that only one type of tRNA exists for all the three stop codons. That is the wrong option, right answer. And fourth one, tRNA possesses an anticodon loop that has bases complementary to the code. Means codon. Yes, it is right. Coming to the match the following, column 1 organism, penicillium. Actually, penicillium produces what? Conidia. Here, about reproduction, it is given. In penicillium, sexual reproduction takes place through conidia. So, 1C. If you see 2, agave. In agave, what is present? Bulbils are present. What are the bulbils? These are the floral buds that store food when they separate from the parent plant, they can give rise to new plants. So 1C, 2B, and 3. What is that? Water hyacinth. Water hyacinth, that is nothing but Eichhornia, which is also called terror of Bengal. It reproduces through offsets. So 3A. And fourth, Hydra. Everybody knows this. This is common mode, that is budding. So 4D, 1C, 2B, 3A, 4D. Just these are the time killing questions. Just careful about these type of questions. Presence of mechanical barrier between the stamens and carpels which prevents self-pollination is known as. Actually, protandry is earlier maturation of the andrecium than the gynoecium. Protogyny, earlier maturation of the gynoecium than the andrecium. Homogamy, self. Hercogamy, yes, hercogamy, it is the physical barrier because here the flower will be bisexual. Both the sex organs mature simultaneously. Still, self pollination is prevented due to the physical barrier because the reproductive organs, they may be arranged in either in two different directions or yet to two different heights in order to prevent the self pollination and to promote the cross pollination. So, this is a physical barrier, hercogamy. We can see this in the case of hibiscus and gloriosa, even glory lily. So most common type of angiospermic ovule, the common type of angiospermic ovule is anatropous, which is also called as inverted ovule. The curvature of the ovule body is 180 degrees in that. This is a common type. An example for vascular cryptogam. Actually, what is cryptogam? Non-flowering plant is called cryptogam. So vascular cryptogam. In general, cryptogams do not have vascular tissues like thallophytes, algae, fungi, and bryophytes. They are the cryptogams, non-flowering plants. They do not have, but one of the cryptogams has vascular tissue. That is called vascular cryptogam. That is nothing but pteridophyta. Here only one example of pteridophytes is given. That is equisetum. If you take cedrus, that is a gymnosperm, markantia bryophyte, ginkgo also gymnosperm, which is a living fossil. So here equisetum is the one of the pteridophytes that belong to Sphenopsida class. So it is an example for vascular cryptogam. Which of the following is a set of characteristics corresponding to the monocots? Correct combination we have to choose. For example, if you check the first one, taproot system, absent. Monocots na fibrous root system present, so wrong. Second, taproot system, wrong. Third, fibrous root system, reticular divination given. Actually, parallel divination is present, but here reticular divination given na, so it is also wrong combination. And the fourth one, fibrous root system, Yes. Parallel venation, yes. And trimerous flowers, yes. In dicots, pentamerous. And one cotyledon, yes, that is why they are monocots. Yeah, fourth is the right answer for this question. The tissue that will be present in the maximum amount of the stem of many years old woody trees. Actually, woody trees they have secondary xylem because during the secondary growth, excess amount of xylem, more xylem is produced. So here the secondary xylem, it is abundant tissue present in the matured plant or old woody tree. The vesicular bundles of dicot stem. Actually, in dicot stem, vascular bundles are collateral, conjoint, open type, that to end arc. End arc means protogerm elements are uh, present towards the center and metaxylem are present towards the periphery. Open means in between xylem phloem, cambium present. Collateral means one side of the xylem, phloem present. So collateral, conjoint, open, end arc bundles are present in the dicot stem. So correctly identify the stage of cell division shown in the given diagram. Actually here it is showing a crossing over. Crossing over takes place in packaging. Packaging is the part of subphase of the prophase 1 in meiosis. So prophase 1 is the right answer for this. This is a diagrammatic representation. Some now and then these type of questions are also being given. So remember them. So all at the end of the G2 phase, the amount of DNA in a diploid cell having the amount of chromosome 2C will be. At the end of G2 phase means after crossing S phase. In S phase, duplication of DNA takes place on replication. So if a cell consists of 2C, that will become 4C. The genetic content is doubled, but chromosome number is not doubled. So which set of the cell organelles are considered to be semi-autonomous? Actually, what they are semi-autonomous? Actually, all other cell organelles depend on nucleus for their metabolic requirements, but not the mitochondrial chloroplast because they have their own DNA. A circular DNA are present, na? Mitochondrial DNA, plastic DNA. So mtDNA and ptDNA or pDNA are present in mitochondria and chloroplast. As they have their own DNAs, they can synthesize their own proteins and enzymes, but not completely. For some, they depend even on the nucleus also. So completely not autonomous, but semi-autonomous. The semi-autonomous cell organelles are nothing but mitochondria and chloroplast, as they have their own genetic material. The set of the organelles structure that are absent in plant cell. So here it is asked that which of the following cell organelles are not present in plant cell? 70S ribosomes present, dictyosomes means Golgi bodies present, 80S ribosomes present, chloroplast present, vacuole present, chloroplast present, centriole and mesosome. Yes, centriole is the cell organelle which is not present in plant cell and present in animal cell. Mesosomes are the enfoldings of the plasma membrane of the prokaryotes like bacteria only. So centriole mesosomes are not present in plant cell. Actually in higher plants centriole not present, but in lower plants it is present. So in this question this is the right answer. Said the correct statement. Virus free plant can be obtained by meristem culture. Yes, virus cannot survive in meristem, so we can obtain virus free plant from virus infected plant through meristem culture. That is the right answer. In micropropagation, organisms of different genotypes are produced. No, in micropropagation, that is nothing but tissue culture. Now, there are organisms of same genotype produced. Next, plant cell without cell membrane is known as protoplasm. No, plant cell without cell membrane is known as protoplasm. What is this option? Sometimes such options are given. Actually, plant cell without cell wall is called protoplast. Plant cell without cell membrane means including cell. Now then we cannot we cannot say protoplasm. Protoplasm means nucleus and cytoplasm together constitute protoplasm actually, right? Actually, Pomata has all the desired combinations of characteristics for its commercial utilization. No, that is why it is not popularized now. So the first one is the right answer. Choose the correct statement, correct definition of biocontrol. Actually, biocontrol means using a uh, living organism, we can control other pathogens. So, use it for developing immunity in the cattle. No. Use of microorganisms, microbes to control plant diseases. Yes. For example, we can use trichoderma, it is a biocontrolling agent. So use of the microbes to control the cattle and alteration of defective genes. All these are the wrong options, and the right one is usage of the microbes to control the plant diseases. So that is the definition for the biocontrol. Biocontrol means controlling of pathogens by using bio means living organisms. Primary productivity does not depend upon. So it depends on plant species, it depends on environmental factors, it depends on availability of the nutrients, but does not depend on herbivores or herbivorous species which consume the primary consumers. So identify the correct sequence of succession in hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is a succession that takes place in the water. You know succession, replacement of one plant community by another due to the change in environment. So here it is asked that sequence. As we know, first stage is phytoplankton stage. It is followed by rooted submerged hydrophytes. It is followed by floating hydrophytes. Later reed swamp, which is also called amphibious stage, which is followed by marshy meadow stage, and finally a climax community of trees is achieved. So second is the right option. Here the same combinations are given in zigzag manner in remaining options. So in such cases we have to choose the right one. Here B is the right one. Division of centromere is absent in. Actually, division of centromere is absent in. In anaphase 1, division of centromere does not take place actually. There only segregation of the chromosomes takes place, which is referred to as disjunction, leading to the reduction in the chromosome number to the half actually in the meiosis. So here it is given anaphase 1, there no division of centromere. In anaphase 2, it is there. Which cell organelle comprises of cis and trans spaces? Actually, that dictyosomes or Golgi complex comprises of the cis and trans spaces, which are curved forming cis and trans spaces. Cis space is convex, trans space is concave. Cis is called forming and trans is called maturing. So here Golgi body is the right answer. Study the following statements and choose the correct answer. Here cross-pollinating flowers have extroverse anthers. Yes, they come out. Yes. Samara is a type of fleshy fruit. That is wrong. It is a dry fruit. Marginal placentation has monocarpellary unilacular ovary. It is also right. Opposite phyllotaxy is seen in guava. Yes. Except 2, all are right. So you search for that. That is given in the fourth one. 1, 3, 4 correct. 1 and 3 and 4 are correct, but 2 is wrong. Yes, I said not 2. Samara is a type of fleshy fruit given. Actually, there is a dry fruit that has wings. So when the pollen of a flower is transferred to the stigma of anther, flower of a different plant, the pollination is referred to as. Actually, this is two plant pollination. That is nothing but genogamy, transfer of the pollen from anther to stigma of another flower plant on another plant. Yes, genogamy. So which of the following is observed during stomata closure? Accumulation of K plus ion in guard cells. No, accumulation of K plus ions in guard cells leads to the opening of the stomata. Increase the turgor pressure of guard cells. If turgor pressure of guard cells increases, that will be opened. So increased thickening of inner wall of the guard cells is the right answer for this question. Gymnosperms are named so because of the presence of actually winged seeds, no true fruits, no fruits not at all present now. Non-motile male gametes, no. Actually, gymno means naked, sperms means seeds. So naked seeds because ovules are naked because ovary is absent. That is why fruit is not formed, fruitless. Which of the following are included as tracheophytes? Actually, tracheophytes means the plants that has tracheal tissue or xylem phloem. So bryophytes do not, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, but not angiosperms. No, bryophytes do not have tracheal tissue. No. Second one, pteridophyte, gymnosperm and angiosperms, but not the bryophytes. Yes, in bryophytes, no tracheal tissues. In pteridophyte or gymnosperm and angiosperms, tracheal tissues are there. That is why they together constitute tracheophytes. So here also different combinations are given. In one combination, that will be right answer. So what of the following are correct about cycas? So cycas is gymnosperm. Cycas has characteristic branched stems and pinnate leaves. Pinnately compound leaves are present, but unbranched stem is present. That is the wrong answer. Second, it is a dioecious plant. Yes, male and female plants are different. Where male cones and megasporophylls bear on different trees. Yes, this is the right one. If you see the mycorrhizal association are commonly found in the roots of cycas. No, actually mycorrhizal association is commonly found in the roots of pinus. Both B and C. No, here only B. So only B is the right answer. It is a dioecious plant where male cones and megasporophylls bear on different trees. LSD is extracted from. Actually, LSD is extracted from Claviceps porphyria that causes ergot disease. So that is a fungus. A. Which disease is associated with the discovery of the gibberellin? Actually, Bakane or the foolish seedling disease is associated with the discovery of the gibberellins by Kurosawa, Sawada, Hayashi, Sumuki, that people worked, Japanese people. So Bakane disease is caused by Gibberella fusicori, that is a fungus name. So here, which disease is associated with the discovery of gibberellins? Bakane disease is associated with the discovery of the gibberellins. Bakane disease is also called as foolish seedling disease. Which of the following is required for the chemiosmosis process? Through the chemiosmosis process, proton concentration gradient is established actually, that is broken, hence the protons flow back from the lumen to stroma, resulting in the formation of ATPs. So for the chemiosmotic theory proposed by Peter Mitchell, we need all. Proton pump is needed, presence of a membrane is needed, and presence of proton gradient also needed. So all are right answers. Magnesium and ferrous are needed for plants in the. So what is the significance of them? Actually, magnesium is a structural component of the chlorophyll, whereas the ferrous is needed for the synthesis of the chlorophyll molecule. So synthesis of chlorophyll pigment and the leaves, it is needed. Magnesium is structural component which is responsible for the green color of the chlorophyll, which is present in the tetrapyrrole ring. Tetrapyrrole ring that consists of 4 pyrrole rings, which is nothing but head, which is called porphyrin ring, which is hydrophilic. Which of the following is the most important monomer component of the chitinous exoskeleton of arthropods? Actually, chitin, it is made up of N-acetyl glucosamine, which is a amino sugar derivative. This is in amino sugars. Actually, one of the OH group is replaced by amino group. So N-acetyl glucosamine is the repeated monomer component of this chitin. Which of the following term defines the promotion of flowering at low temperatures? So when the plants are subjected to low temperatures, they get stimulated and flower. So that temperature stimulation is perceived by apical meristems, and the process of subjecting the plants to low temperature to initiate the flowering or to promote the flowering is called vernalization. And all other also given, some other, there are different cases. Which of the following defines the phenomenon of de-differentiation? Losing the capacity of division. Losing the capacity of division is nothing but differentiation. Next, losing the capacity of division after regaining the same. No, that will be redifferentiation. And regaining the capacity of division. Yes, this is the de-differentiation. Actually, meristematic tissue lose ability of division, get converted into permanent tissue through differentiation process. Sometimes, whenever it is necessary, then some permanent tissues also converted back to meristematic tissues and again the ability of division. That process, that phenomenon is called de-differentiation. For example, that interfacial cambium formed, cork cambium formed, interfacial cambium formed from medullary rays and cork cambium is formed from cortex. Both are examples for de-differentiation, regaining the capacity of division. So C is the right answer. Which cell organism is incorrectly linked with the cell wall lysing enzyme used to extract DNA? Actually, in the recombinant DNA technology, for the extraction of DNA, we use different enzymes to break down the cell walls of different organisms. For example, if we take the eubacteria, lysosome we use. Yes, lysosome can digest the cell wall of the bacteria. Plant cell is made up of cellulose, hence we use cellulase. It is also right. Fungal cell wall, yes, fungal cell wall is made up of chitin. Chitin. So to break down the chitin, we use chitinase. Animal cell, cellulose given. Actually, animal cell has not the cell wall. No need to use any enzyme. So, but here cellulose is given. So this is the mismatch. The dash cell is bigger, has abundant food reserves and large irregularly shaped nucleus. The dash is smaller and has a spindle-shaped nucleus with a dense cytoplasm. So this is regarding the pollen grain is given and that is not mentioned here. So the bigger cell is vegetative cell and the smaller cell is generative cell. Vegetative cell is bigger, it has abundant food reserves and a large irregularly shaped nucleus, whereas the generative cell is smaller and it has a spindle shaped nucleus with a dense cytoplasm. A is the right answer. Which treatment of step is taken for the producing formed by RDNA technology? For the product formed by RDNA technology. Actually, through RDNA technology we get recombinant proteins now. Yes, that will undergo strict quality control testing is done on product. Yes, it will be done. And suitable preservation of the product. Yes, that formulation is that is formulated by using preservatives. It is also right. And formulation has to undergo clinical trials. Yes, after the formulation it has to undergo clinical trials. All are right. All these they come under downstream processing. All are right. In photosynthesis, light reaction includes. In light reaction, cyclic photophosphorylation takes place. Non-cyclic photophosphorylation also takes place. Both are the electron transport systems. Yes, both A and B. Golden rice is. Actually, golden rice is a transgenic vitamin A rich rice having gene for beta carotene. Actually, formerly it is called Taipei. In the Taipei normal rice variety, in that vitamin A precursor beta carotene synthesizing gene is introduced and it has been developed golden rice now, which is rich in vitamin A. A is the right answer. So match the column 1 and column B, choose the correct answer. So here, what is that? First, quail. What is quail? Quail brood parasitism because it lays eggs in the nest of crows. 1C. 1C. Next, 2. Mycorrhiza. What is mycorrhiza? Example, glomus. Yes, glomus fungi can form mycorrhiza. It can associate with the root systems. 2D. 1C, 2D. Biological control, 3, that is trichoderma.